you're fine.
No, 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 it's okay. Where's
You're fine. You want to sit down?
are you sure?
Yeah.
No, you can. You have to sit down. I'm just gonna put this somewhere.
No, I can sit right here.
No, that's not safe. Here, sit down here.
How's your cancer? How's your cancer?
Oh, it's not good. How about you?
What happened?
It's not good.
What happened?
Well, you know, the results is uh, not good.
What stage are you?
Well, I don't want to say because I'm not gonna be like
No.
happy.
No. Remember, do the sour salt. I'll do the.
Oh yeah, I have it.
I'm doing all that too.
And
You just have to. You gotta just stop eating all that. Me too. Me too. It's hurting me more.
so
I'm trying to go to the City Hope, but then somebody was telling me that they're not that good. But my doctor's a quack, so. And my
really,
sugar's been so high that I haven't been able to go do my PT scan.
you know, I have I they already gave me finally. Remember you asked me to take the